Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with IdentityForce for real-time fraud alerts, complete guide step by step clearly. Visit the IdentityForce website. Click on the Get Started or Sign Up button. Choose the plan that best suits your needs. Fill out the required personal information. Provide your name, email address, and phone number. Create a strong password that meets the security criteria. Review the privacy policy and terms of service. Check the box to agree to the terms. Click on the Continue or Next button. Verify your email address by checking your inbox for a confirmation email. Open the email and click on the verification link provided. Return to the IdentityForce website after verifying your email. Log in using your newly created credentials. Complete your personal profile by supplying additional details. Enter your social security number and date of birth. Provide information about your address and other relevant identifiers. Set up security questions for account recovery. Choose your preferred notification methods for real-time fraud alerts. Enable alerts for transactions, credit inquiries, and account changes. Review your account settings to ensure everything is correct. Take a moment to explore additional features offered by IdentityForce. Confirm your subscription and finalize the registration process. You're now set up with IdentityForce for real-time fraud alerts. Start monitoring your identity for any signs of fraudulent activity. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.